Hello, Inay. Hello, Inay. I, um, first, I know that there is no valid excuse, reason for me to submit my requirements late. But, yeah, but I do really want to apologize because I have I have submitted it late, and I do really have struggles finding information about my individual topic, our individual topic rather. And due to election din po, I was needed at work because some of my coworkers are voters, and I am one of the who is not able to vote. So I am the one who is needed. I am the one who is at work. So I was not able to work my requirements on time, and I was not able to submit it. So I do really want to apologize for that, and I hope you will still consider my submission. Thank you, Inay. And by the way, anyway, my topics are rules of preposition and word order. So, the first rule that I am going to discuss is that preposition must have an object, and a preposition always has an object, and the object of the preposition is a noun or a word or a pronoun or a phrase acting as a noun. And the object of the preposition always takes place after the preposition. That will form prepositional phrase. So preposition plus noun is equals that will form prepositional phrase. And object of the preposition follows the preposition itself, and the preposition acts as a bridge between the object and modifies. And for examples, the examples that we have here are they are in the kitchen. Adrian is a friend of mine. The dog runs after the car. So the first sentence is that they are in the kitchen. So the word kitchen is the object of the preposition in, and the prepositional phrase in the kitchen modifies the subject of the sentence, which is the word they. And who are in the kitchen? They are in the kitchen. And another example is Adrian is a friend of mine. Mine, the word mine is the possessive form of I, and the word mine is the object of the preposition of. And the prepositional phrase of mine modifies the subject or the word friend. The prepositional phrase tells us more about the friend, and about the friend. Who is my friend? Who is my friend? Adrian is my friend, or Adrian is a friend of mine. And another example is the dog runs after the car. So the car is the object of the preposition after. The prepositional phrase after the car modifies the dog or the subject dog. What runs after the car? The dog runs after the car. So preposition must have an object, and the object of the sentences that we have are kitchen, mind, and car. So that is the first rules of preposition. And the second one is preposition. Preposition means place before, or the name preposition indicates that that a preposition usually come before something. So preposition is usually placed before its object. Likewise, the object of the preposition in the prepositional phrases always takes place after the preposition. The examples that we have here are, I put it in the box and the key is inside the purse. So first is, I put it in the box. The word in the sentence is the preposition and it has the object box. And the object of the preposition, which is box, is placed after the preposition in. So the preposition in this sentence was indicated before the word, or before the object box. So the preposition in is placed before the object or the word box, which is the something, which is the box. Another example is, the key is inside the purse. The preposition in this sentence is inside and it has the object purse. So the rule is, preposition indicates that preposition usually comes before something, and in this sentence the key is in this sentence the key is inside the purse. The something that is placed after the preposition inside is the word purse, which is the object of the preposition. So the preposition inside in this sentence indicated that the placement after the word or something, which is the purse. So the object of the preposition that is placed after the preposition inside, so which is that something is the purse. So the object of the preposition, or the something that is placed after, or placed after the preposition, are the words box and purse. So that is the second rule that we have. So the second rule, let's proceed to the third rules of the preposition. So a pronoun following a preposition should be an objective form. So the noun or pronoun that follows a preposition forms a prepositional object. If it is a pronoun, if the preposition that follows, if the word that follows, or the object that follows the preposition, if it is a pronoun, it should be therefore be in the objective form, not in subjective form. So the noun or the pronoun that follows, the objective form of pronoun in first singular, first person singular is me. The second person singular is you. The third persons are him, her, and it. So while the objective form of pronoun first person plural is us, second person plural is still you, and the third person plural is them. So the rule that we have here is, if the pronoun follows the preposition, it should be, if the object is let me paraphrase that. If the pronoun, or if the object of the preposition is pronoun that follows the preposition, it should be therefore be in the objective form. For example that we have here are the examples that we have here are this is from my wife and me. The second one is that is between him and her. And the third one is Mary gave pens to them. So the first is this is from my wife and me. From my wife and me is the prepositional phrase. It answers the question from whom is this? From whom is this? This is from my wife and me. From is the preposition, and my wife is singular feminine, and it is a noun used as an object of the preposition from. And me is the personal pronoun singular objective form. So another example is that's between him and her. Between him and her is the prepositional phrase, and him is the masculine and her is feminine. They are in objective form, and they are the object of the preposition. Another example is the third one is Mary gave pens to them. So to them is the prepositional phrase, and it answers the questions to whom did Mary give to whom did Mary give pens. Mary gave pens to them. To is the preposition rather, and them is the plural common noun third person objective form. So that is the third rules of preposition, that pronoun following a preposition should be an objective form. So the objective form of pronoun here are me, him and her, and them. And the next rule that we have is to used as preposition and to as infinitive are not the same. So be aware and don't mix the two different things. When to is used as a preposition, it is followed by a noun or pronoun that will form a prepositional phrase. While on the other hand, when to is used as an infinitive, it is followed by a base as a verb, which is in its base form of the verb, and the plus and to plus verb used as an infinitive is used as a direct object of the sentence. So direct object of the sentence, not a verb. So if it is used as an infinitive, the to plus verb is used as a direct object, not a verb. Okay. So the examples that we have here, examples to as a preposition. Examples are I look forward to lunch, and the second one is I look forward to seeing you. So the two used in the sentence as a preposition. I look forward to lunch. To lunch is the prepositional the prepositional phrase. To is the preposition, so, and lunch is a noun used as an object of the preposition, which is the preposition to. So what did I look forward to? I look forward to lunch. What do what do I look forward to? I look forward to lunch. So when you end your question with a preposition, it will be called a dangling preposition because it has no object and it is left hanging or stranded. That is why it is called dangling preposition. And another example is I look forward to seeing you. To is the preposition and seeing is the object of the preposition. Seeing is a gerund that is verb but function is a noun ends with ing. So gerund is these are the words that ends with an ing. They are verb but they are functioned as a noun in the sentence. So the prepositional phrase to seeing you answers the questions what do I look forward to? I look forward to seeing you. And next is then and next is to used as an infinitive. For example, the examples that we have here are they used to live in Moscow. They love, and the second one is they love to sing. Um, they used to live in Moscow. To live is the infinitive. It is used as an is a direct object of the sentence. The word used to is a helping verb, and it is combined with an infinitive to plus verb to explain that to plus verb which is to live, which explain that an action is no longer happens. To live used as a direct object of the sentence. What did they used to do in Moscow? They used to live in Moscow. Who used to live in Moscow? They used to live in Moscow. They used to live in Moscow. What did they do? And what did they do in Moscow? They used to live there. They used to live in Moscow. Moscow. So the next example is they love to sing. They love to sing. To sing is the infinitive to plus verb with to plus sing, and to sing is used as a direct object in the sentence. And what though they love to do? They love to sing. Who love to sing? Who love to sing? Who love to sing? They love to sing. And what though they do? They love to sing. Okay. To sing is the infinitive is infinitive, and it is used as a direct of the sentence direct object of the sentence, and it answers the questions what though they love to do, they love to sing. And the last rule that we have here is the golden preposition rules. Preposition is followed by a noun or pronoun. It is never followed by a verb. So like what I have explained or discussed a while ago, um, preposition is always followed by a noun or a pronoun. It will never be followed by a verb, because if it is followed by a verb, it it will be it is not preposition. It will become infinitive. Like for example, the to plus verb, it is an infinitive. But so it preposition should always followed by noun or pronoun to make to function as preposition or to form prepositional phrase. So that's all for the rules of preposition. And the next one is the word order. The word order, uh, that the next topic rather the next topic that I'm going to discuss is the word order. Okay. Okay. So basically there are two types of prepositional phrase. And the first one is the adjective adject adjective or adjectival prepositional phrase. Um, Adjective modifies nouns or pronouns and usually answers the questions what kind, how many, or which ones. And the second one is adverb or adverbial phrase. It modifies a verb, adjective, or another adverb. And adverb usually answer the questions when, where, how, and to what extent, how much or how long. So, okay, let's proceed to our word order. So the first word order that we have is SIV or SIV add SIV. Before that, usually basically the word order of the preposition is ordered according to its function. So the order is ordered according to their function. So the first one that we have, the word order that we have is SIV, SIV, and the birds fly in the sky. So that is the first sentence. The word order is SIV, ADV, PP. So subject, intransitive verb, and adverb prepositional phrase. It is an intransitive verb because the sentence has no direct object, and the subject in the sentence is birds, and the birds answer the question, what flies in the sky? The birds fly in the sky. What do the birds do in the sky? The birds fly in the sky. Where do the birds fly? The birds fly in the sky. So the prepositional phrase in the sky modifies the verb fly. It functioned as an adverb or adverbial prepositional phrase because it modifies the verb fly. So the next sentence is they study late at night. So same order. Excuse me. Same order. They SIV, ADV, PP. So they study late at night. Who studies late at night? They study late at night. What do they do? Oh, they study. Sorry. When do they study? They study late. When do they study late? They study late at night. The prepositional phrase excuse me. The prepositional phrase at night modifies the adverb late, and at night, the prepositional phrase at night functioned as an adverb prepositional phrase or adverbial prepositional phrase. Okay, let's continue. Sorry for that. So the next sentence that we have here is they same word order. They stayed inside their house. Um, they stayed. They stayed inside their house. Sorry. No, sorry for that. Sorry, there was knocking on the door. Sorry for that. Okay, the next sentence is they stayed their house. So who stayed inside their house? They stayed inside their house. What did they do? What did they do? What did they do inside their house? They stayed inside their house. And where did they stay? They stayed inside their house. And the prepositional phrase inside their house modifies the word or the verb stayed, and it functioned as an adverb or adverbial prepositional phrase. And the next sentence is the second one is I love volleyball since 2008. So the word order is STVDO ADV.PP. PP. Subject, transitive verb, adjective, adjective or adjectival prepositional phrase. The subject I answer the question who love volleyball since 2008. I love volleyball since 2008. Oh.
Uy, nag-ano pa si
Sorry for that. Those are my nephews, so noisy. Okay, nawala ako. Okay. Again, I love volleyball since 2008. So, who love volleyball since 2008? I love volleyball since 2008. What did I do since 2008? Love. I love volleyball since 2008. What did I love since 2008? Volleyball. I love volleyball since 2008. So for a while, let me just charge my phone. Okay. Again, sorry for that. So, where am I? So, when did I love volleyball? Since 2008. So, I love volleyball since 2008. So, the prepositional phrase since 2008 modifies the direct object of the sentence volleyball, and it functioned as an adjective or adjectival prepositional phrase. So next is the next sentence is we eat toast with jelly. We eat toast with jelly. So the same word order, subject, transitive verb, direct object, and adjective or adjectival prepositional phrase. So we who eat toast with jelly? Who eat toast with jelly? We ate we eat toast with jelly. What do we eat with what do we eat with jelly? Toast. We eat toast with jelly. What kind of toast did we eat? With toast with jelly. We ate toast with jelly. Prepositional phrase with jelly modifies the direct object of the sentence, which is toast, and it is functioned as an adjective or adjectival prepositional phrase. Okay? And sorry. The next sentence is, I gave him a book with the red cover. The word order is STVIODO EDG.PP. Subject, transitive verb, indirect object, and direct object and function as adjective or adjectival prepositional phrase. Who gave him a book? Who gave him a book with the red cover? I gave him a book with the red cover. What did I do? I gave him a book with the red cover. To whom did I give the book with To whom did I give a book with the red cover? I gave him a book with the red cover. Him. What did I give him with the red cover? I gave a book. I gave him a book with a red cover. So, what kind of a book did I give him? I gave him with a book with the red cover. So, the prepositional phrase with the red cover modifies and tells us more about the book, which is the direct object of the sentence. And so it functioned as an adjective or adjectival prepositional phrase because adjective or adjectival prepositional phrase describe noun or pronoun. Okay, so the last sentence that we have is the groom. I think, is this really the last one? Okay, the last one. So the last sentence that we have is the groom sang at the wedding. So the word order is SIV, EDV, and PP. Subject and transitive adverb prepositional phrase. So who sang at the wedding? The groom sang at the wedding. What did the groom do at the wedding? At the wedding, the groom sang at the wedding. Where did the groom sing? The groom sang at the wedding. The prepositional phrase at the wedding modifies the verb sang and so it functioned as an adverb or adverbial prepositional phrase because it modifies or tells us more about the verb sang. So, and when verb, adverb, or another adverb is being described, it is an adverb or adverbial prepositional phrase. So that's all for my topic, rules of preposition and word order. Thank you so much for listening, and God bless